ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 19558.
Kibor penya jong ke India Tourism Shillong ke bahak bapo ke jingpet jong ke Ministry of Tourism ke Sorkar India haringkat lang bad ke adventurous ha ke khat sautri ke benai naiwing arajar arpway kila hiar syaki jakasa jong ki khonswet balari bat sumar da ke North East India Mission Association ke badon ha ke snong lait menriang Pinorsla East Khasi Hills District kumshi benta banyelek kemen lang bat ki ha ke jingrakhe ye ke sngi kerpang jong ki khenarit ya ke bala tibru kum ke Children's Day. Hagani ka sngira sam ki kendai pongut ki hebret ki basa hagani ka ying da ki tiar bakin dubla ban pendon kam hakato ka puli badru de ki jingbang.
Mentari Sihajowu, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Ni celebrate ekani ka sngi today with first Prime Minister of India. Debat kawilu boke ki kena tinggi re ni ship ekani ka sngi ka India tourism but ka adventurous team bangin wan shade bagi belang bathi banyak teman da bata ki kena. Yusurian ni wan ni tempat bagi ye fi. Hindi ba piyo kita hagani ka yeng ba dan mi dan fa ba khoi ni pia bon ko da si parang ni mafisia ni la da pang ala ki si parang mafika no ko chika da dunge dei pide ben kre ko bha we not de ko let tip singi hindi ba de bishni be hindi ba de sho de ba yarap be sekalian anda pila he pila san la shai pil salong breu pil sawan mafia ka jaka jogi ni dei de pin kre ko dem Krem, begini ki nakani ka Indian tourism ki lawan rai ki jingbang ki babang ha. Anda ka adventurous team kalai fi ni ki kot, kalai fi ni ki pencil, ki rubber, ki sharpener, ki color pencil. Ki adventurous team kalai fi ki ni. Mo, ka jingbang kalai ka Indian tourism fi. Ba le nakani ka adventurous team kalai ki book bat ki tiar. Yes, kemudian dia krekot bha Lashani sisi untuk lapas bhat lalu brave ni kabar sini gay. He bade dapat Aisyah ini. Mo. Pakat ni di toplem kurku beroi vi bergaget siam. Bahak kowe kiski sebab ki brave ki ba Ainam Aiburam. Yang ku keti bagi ini kong ba siapa yang. Yes kemudian kong meri deh. Ikong meri along tu bejo fi day deh. Dia Ikong dari Israel jadi, but dia kan ini rasai dalam he. Kemudian, jadi kan kita ikong dari, beri bak pungla ibu dan dunia. Kita dah tunggu ke problem, kayak jengke macam ni, pimla punya sekolah lalu. Jadi ikong dari dia tu macam ni, berlari ya ni. Kemudian, takkan dia, tolet tips ni, batsa, sebab sini kita buat kita ayat ni, selesai semua taksi kita kasih jauh ni. Kemudian, mereka pun taksi kasih jauh ni, man kasih kita kasih jauh ni kena.
It was an experience that we can't share with words. It's something like we feel touched, we feel moved. At the same time, we feel like Children's Day should be celebrated in place like this. So thank you so much, Bhavana. Parijat from Incredible India, our dear friend, she's always there to support us. You see all the sweets today, all this cool food today, is just not because Parijat being from Incredible India, she wants to contribute. She feels for you like a mother, like a elder sister, like a responsible. Whenever we want to do something, she's always there. So, Parijat, thank you so much for touching our hearts and just being with us so much. Kailash, Umar, Suzuki, all our friends, thank you so much for bringing this wonderful program. We were very busy, we were very tight with our programs, but he said, no, we have to go. And I think his decision was correct. So I feel thankful to everyone. And especially to my young friends, all the boys and girls. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for spending time. You have lovely gifts, books, sweets. Enjoy all these things. Laugh, dance, sing, and have a great day. Thank you all once again for making all of us being part of this wonderful Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless you. And God will always be with you. Take care.
Happy Children's Day. You are children. I'm also like a child even today. She's my friend. She's my friend. Yes. So today we are celebrating a day for all people because we are children and we want to honor you today. Because we were all children. All of us were children like you one day. We have grown up, but in my heart, I'm still like you. Today also. So we have brought a little gift for all of you. Some Kenya, some pencils. Incredible India has done a wonderful job. Maria, she's always at the forefront for helping society, for developing the Meghalaya. She's doing a lot of work. India tourism. They are trying to bring out tourism in Meghalaya in a big way. They are subsidizing, giving subsidy to the guest houses.